Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rogue Prince of Persia game on your device. And once you have started playing the game, if you wish to change your control settings, then just pause the game by pressing the escape button or the start button on your joystick. Now from here you can go into options and this will immediately take you into the controls page. If you are using a controller, you can click on each one of these options to remap into your desired new button. Otherwise, click on a keyboard/mouse. And now you can modify the controls that are mapped within your keyboard as well. Click on whichever control you wish to change. And once you are prompted to press the new button, just press your desired key. And now it will be changed right away. Once you are done, you can go back. And when you are told whether you want to confirm your changes, make sure to choose the apply button or press the spacebar. Now your settings will be saved, and you can continue playing with your customized controls. If you wish to change it at any point of time, you can once again go back, and then from the controls page, you can change your buttons once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.